Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 3 debenture. In my previous video I have explained you types of debentures. Today I am going to explain you procedure of issue of debentures. There are specific provisions in the Indian Companies Act for the issue of debentures. It is necessary to comply with all these provisions at the time of issuing debentures. If any of these provisions is not complied with, then the company or concerned officer of the company is liable for punishment. It is necessary to ensure that there should be no risk or danger to the interest of debenture holders. The procedure for the issue of debenture is as under. First, resolution by Board of Directors. First of all, the provisions of debentures of the articles of the company are studied. Then a resolution is passed in the meeting of the Board of Directors to issue debentures. At the meeting, a decision is taken regarding the amount of total issue, rate of interest, payment of interest, number of debenture certificates and conditions. Number 2. Resolution by general meeting of the company. The sanction for issue of debenture is obtained in the general meeting of the company. If due to issue of debentures the debt of company exceeds free reserves of the company, or if the debentures are to be issued for an amount exceeding free reserve fund, then the approval of members is obtained by convening the general meeting of members. Third, permission of SEBI. It is necessary to ensure that the provisions of the Companies Act and guidelines of SEBI are complied with and permission of SEBI is obtained. Fourth, to issue prospectus. Public limited companies invite general public to subscribe to the debenture by issuing prospectus which describes contents of debentures. Investors study it and take decision to purchase the debenture. Fifth, appointment of trustees for debentures. In order to safeguard interests of debenture holders, a trust deed or debenture trust deed is prepared under the Trust Act. The trustees for debentures are appointed in the company. Sixth, agreement with underwriters. If the board of directors decides to enter into an agreement with underwriters for the issue of debentures, it is done at this stage. The conditions are determined for both parties. Here, underwriters means a bank or other financial institution that pledges to buy all the unsold shares in an issue of new shares. Seventh, to open an account with a scheduled bank. The bank has to open an account with a scheduled bank to receive applications and money for debenture. Eighth, registration in stock exchange. If it is so stated in the prospectus, the company has to apply to a recognized stock exchange for the listing of debenture issue so that the debentures can be traded in the market. If the stock exchange refuses to register or cancels the registration of debenture issue, the company has to pay back the money to the debenture holders. Ninth, to prepare allotment register for debentures. After the closure of subscription, as specified in prospectus, the company secretary has to prepare a register on the basis of application received. A decision regarding allotment of debentures is taken in the meeting of the board of directors. After deciding the allotment of debentures, the process of remittance of debenture certificate is commenced. 10th, debenture certificates. if the subscription to the debentures is to be made through part payment of debenture money, then after receiving the full amount towards the debentures allotted, the company secretary prepares debenture certificates and, in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act, dispatches the certificates to the debenture holders. Thank you.